Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Fola. So we all know that the tech landscape is evolving rapidly and data skills are hotter than ever. While landing your dream data analyst role might take time, it doesn't mean you can't leverage your talents and skills and start earning online. So in this video today, we'll be exploring together creative ways to monetize your data analysis skills while you build your career and travel the world. So sit back, get a cup of coffee or juice, my dear data analyst, and let's get started. So the first website I'll be introducing to us is the Upwork website. So Upwork is one of the big players in the freelance space. All you need to do is to create an account, set up a strong profile on the kind of services you want to offer, and start bidding for projects. Experience level on these freelancing platforms is from beginner to pro or expert level. So whether you're a beginner, whether you're intermediate, or you're at the expert level, you are all welcome to this platform. And freelancers on this platform are also not pre-vetted, meaning that you are not screened before being accepted onto the platform. So you can just come here to upwork.com. I'll be dropping a link to all of the websites I'll be talking about today in the description of the video. So you can easily go to the description, click on the link, and then it takes you straight to the platform. So all you have to do is come onto this page, click on sign up. When you click on sign up, you click on I'm a freelancer looking for work. If you select that, apply as a freelancer, and then you fill in all of your details, your country, read your first name, your last name, email address, and create a strong password for yourself. Uh, then you may be asked to create a portfolio also of the projects you have done in the past. For example, as a data analyst, you're expected to have done one or two projects in the past, so you can create a portfolio of the projects you've done on this platform. Because of time, I won't be able to take us through the registration process on all the platform, but it's pretty easy. It's something you can do. It's just like you registering on any other platform. So once you register and you log in, so this is my profile on Upwork. You can see this is me, and I've only completed 5 jobs on this platform, 5 total jobs, and I've earned a total of over $500 with the 5 jobs. So the more effort you put in, the more you earn. The more jobs you bid for, the more you earn. So once you log in, you come to jobs, you go to the Upwork platform. Sorry, I will need to log in. I think I'm logged out. Right. So once you log in, you go to find work and then you go to find work. It lists all types of jobs here. So you can see the jobs that are listed today. Improve Excel spreadsheet by completing tasks. And the person is offering a budget of just $5 because it's a simple task, right? See this one, build responsive dashboards on Excel. This one is an hourly rate of between $35 to $60. This one is a Power BI data modeling task and is a fixed price of $25. So if you go through, you'll see different types of jobs being offered here. See, this one says hiring data analyst and offering a fixed price of $150 and is an intermediate. The experience level required is intermediate. So you can register on this platform, create a strong profile, upload samples of your works, and you can begin to get started. You can get started, start bidding for jobs. The second platform is Angel List. They used to be known as Angel List, but they've changed their name to Well Found. So if you check here, it's now called Well Found basically. So in a similar way, all you have to do is just sign up again, like we did on Upwork. Click on sign up, create a profile, and you start bidding for work jobs. The beautiful thing about this platform is that it's a platform focused on mainly connecting startups to freelancers. So startup companies, not very big companies, small to medium sized companies. You majorly see them on this platform. And the purpose simply is to connect, like I said, startups to freelancers with the option of hiring based on remote or on site options. Also, they accept freelancers on all levels, just like Upwork, that is from beginner to pro level, and they do not also screen. No form of screening is done before you're accepted onto this platform, right? So once you sign up, then you begin to get connected to startup companies. So that's for well found. You can see samples of the jobs that they've posted on this platform. This is my profile. So if you look here, this is a company called Exceed, and they're actively hiring for data analysts in Europe, Spain, Germany, France, South Africa, and the likes. Also, the role can be on-site or remote, right? And then the company called Atlas Analytics is also looking to hire software developers, low code to no code developers within the Eastern Europe, within Georgia, Ukraine, Hungary, Serbia, and the likes, and is remote only. DataVant also hiring for data analyst in the UK. We can see the salary range, and they're also letting us know that remote opportunity is possible. So you can also register on this platform, explore the platform, and see which one works best for you. To the next one, which is TopTal. TopTal is another amazing platform, amazing freelancing platform, but they have a very, very rigorous screening process, meaning you have to be an expert before you can be accepted onto the platform. So this might be a little challenging for new analysts who are still building their skills. They are still at the entry level role. So if you are an expert, this is a good platform for you to explore. In a similar way, all you have to do is come to the top here where it says apply as a freelancer. So once you click on that, you create an account and you apply as a freelancer. Once you apply, you also can start bidding for jobs on this platform, right? Now, I have only mentioned three freelancing platforms in this video, but there are numerous of them out there. These are the ones I have personally used, and so I can freely recommend to you. But I want you to feel very free to do your own personal research. Look out for more of these freelancing platforms, research on them, look at their features, their model of operation, and see which ones you would want to register on. But personally, these are the ones I have used, right? So now I know you may have some questions running through your mind, one of which might be how much do freelance data analysts charge? It depends on your experience level and complexity of the task or project you are handling. The average hourly rate ranges between $50 and $200 an hour, depending on your level of expertise, right? So depending on your level of expertise, you can charge between $15, 1 5, and $200. Now, there are some of the websites or platforms out there that allows you to negotiate your pricing with your client. Uh, Upwork does not allow you to negotiate because if you look on the platform again, you'll see some of them already. These are clients that have posted jobs and they have already told you the price they are willing to pay for the task. For the one that is fixed, he or she is willing to pay $15 for this task, which is about 20 minutes work. This one says is an hourly rate and willing to pay $12 an hour. So on a platform like this, you cannot negotiate. But like I said, there are some of those platforms out there that will allow you to negotiate your pricing with your client, right? So that being said, on a final note, before taking on any project, ensure you have the domain knowledge, that is an in-depth understanding of the industry. That way, you'll be able to interpret the data correctly and draw accurate conclusions. When I say industry, I mean if you are given a project, for example, data analysts work in several industries. You can work in fintech, you can work in healthcare, you can work in sales, so many industries that data analysts are required. So if you are not, for example, a data analyst who is unfamiliar with finance might miss the underlying reasons behind a sudden stock price dip, right? Somebody who is not very familiar with fintech and how payment systems work might not be able to correctly analyze and interpret payment data, right? So you need to have a very in-depth understanding of the industry before you take on the project. Also, domain knowledge helps you to ask the right questions about the data, and then you are able to tailor your analysis to address the specific business challenges. Right. So this brings us to the end of this video today. I hope you've been able to find it helpful. Kindly do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Give this video a like so that the YouTube algorithm can recommend to more other people. Also, do well to share with your friends, families, neighbors, and so that they can also benefit from it. Thank you, and I'll see you all in my next video.